Have you tried sugar cream pie or Hoosier pie? Well, that is the dessert for stop number 28 on my 50 video series making every state dessert in America. So let me know in the comments what state you think has the sugar cream pie. The recipe is linked in the description, and before we get started, make sure you hit that subscribe button and that notification bell so you can join me every week for new recipes. This is very simple. We've got all-purpose flour, brown sugar, and granulated sugar. We're gonna whisk that together with cinnamon and nutmeg and salt, and then the liquid is half and half and heavy cream. That's it, no eggs or anything else. So this goes into a pie crust. You can use a store-bought or use your favorite pie crust recipe and just pour that filling into it, and then you want to bake this until the filling is totally set, and that's literally it. Probably the simplest pie I have ever made in my whole life. So I will say that is probably one of the easier pies I've ever made. A filling you don't have to cook prior to it going in the oven. The crust doesn't have to be par baked. It's very, very simple and straightforward. And the fact that there's no eggs in it either is also really interesting because this has a really nice creamy texture to it, and it did set up really nicely. The key here is just to make sure you're baking it long enough, because if it still jiggles just a little bit in the oven, you're gonna need to give it a little bit more time, because mine is actually a little bit underbaked, but that's okay. I gotta say, I like that way more than I thought I would. That's very, very smooth and silky. The texture is great on the filling. It's not overly sweet. The flavor is fantastic. That touch of cinnamon really comes through. The vanilla, you can taste the brown sugar, which is really nice in this. I really like this pie. So sugar cream pie, state dessert for Indiana. Once again, recipe is linked in the description for you. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.